Car Glass Breaker enables quick emergency escape from vehicles during accidents, floods, or emergencies. Today's video is about top 5 best car glass breaker that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at SodaRide Car Glass Breaker. The SodaRide Window Breaker is a compact yet highly effective emergency escape tool designed for critical situations. It features a tungsten steel drill bit that is significantly stronger than standard carbon steel, allowing for fast and reliable window breaking when every second counts. It is also built to withstand extreme conditions, including high temperatures up to 1000 degrees Celsius, and has a spring tested for long-term durability and underwater performance. One of its key advantages is the dual-function light system, offering both strobe and full light modes with long battery life, making it useful for visibility and emergency signaling. The built-in seatbelt cutter adds extra safety, allowing quick one-hand operation when escaping a vehicle. Its ergonomic, lightweight design makes it easy to carry as a keychain or store inside the car for quick access. Overall, this tool provides dependable safety, combining durability, practicality, and emergency readiness in one compact device. Now our second product is Sinsen Car Glass Breaker. The 16-in-1 emergency car kit is a highly versatile and practical safety tool designed for roadside emergencies and unexpected situations. It combines essential functions like a window breaker with tungsten steel head and a sharp seatbelt cutter, allowing for quick escape during accidents. The multiple lighting modes are especially useful, including front and side LED lights with high, medium, flash, and SOS beacon options, ensuring visibility in dark or dangerous conditions. The built-in alarm system further enhances safety by attracting attention when needed. Another strong feature is its dual charging system, supporting both solar and USB charging, along with a mobile power bank function for charging phones or tablets, which is extremely helpful during emergencies. The high-strength magnet allows it to attach securely to metal surfaces, making it convenient as a warning or repair light. Overall, this all-in-one emergency tool offers excellent safety, convenience, and reliability for any vehicle owner. Our third product is Amazon Basics Car Glass Breaker. This 2-in-1 emergency escape tool is a simple but essential safety device for any vehicle. It combines a tungsten double-head window hammer and a sharp seatbelt cutter, giving drivers a quick way to respond during emergencies such as crashes, rollovers, fires, or sinking situations. The tungsten steel head, rated at 1800 HV hardness, is significantly stronger than standard carbon steel, allowing for fast and effective window breaking when every second matters. The built-in blade is equally practical, cutting through seatbelts smoothly to ensure quick escape. The bright orange handle is easy to grip and locate in stressful situations, adding both visibility and safety. The included protective bracket makes storage convenient and secure, allowing it to be placed in the center console or door pocket for quick access. Sold as a 2-pack, it's a practical safety addition for multiple vehicles or passengers. Overall, this tool is compact, reliable, and highly important for emergency preparedness. Now number 4, Motorbuddy Car Glass Breaker. This 2-pack emergency safety hammer is a practical and essential tool for any vehicle. It combines a stainless steel seatbelt cutter with a dual-headed carbon steel window breaker, allowing quick escape during emergencies such as accidents, submersion, or fires. The sharp cutter is designed to slice through seatbelts efficiently, while the hardened steel tips provide strong impact for breaking side windows when needed. The build quality feels durable, using high-grade carbon steel and engineering plastics for long-lasting performance. Its ergonomic 5.9-inch anti-skid handle offers a secure and comfortable grip, even in high-stress situations. The bright red design also improves visibility, making it easy to locate inside the car. With 2 tools included, they can be placed in different locations for both driver and passenger access, increasing overall safety readiness. Overall, this is a compact, reliable, and life-saving emergency tool that every driver should consider keeping in their vehicle. And our last choice is Skinnyon Car Glass Breaker. This 2-in-1 emergency car escape tool is a compact but highly practical safety device designed for critical situations. It combines a tungsten steel window hammer and a sharp seatbelt cutter, giving drivers a reliable way to escape from sinking, overturned, crashed, or burning vehicles. The hammer has undergone extensive impact testing and is built to break car windows efficiently with minimal effort, focusing on the weakest corner points for faster escape. A key advantage is the included practice glass pieces, allowing users to test and learn proper usage, which increases confidence in real emergencies. The transparent protective cover also helps quickly identify the blade and hammer, reducing confusion under stress. Its multiple mounting options, adhesive base, keychain, or portable carry, make it easy to keep accessible at all times. The ergonomic design and concealed blade improve safety during handling. Overall, this is a well-designed, life-saving tool that enhances emergency preparedness for any vehicle owner. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.